Is your Chubb Viper alarm system chirping or showing a low battery warning? Don't ignore it. A dead backup battery can leave your home vulnerable. Today, we're going to quickly and safely replace that battery. First, you need to locate your main Chubb Viper alarm panel. This is usually a beige or white box, often found near your main entrance or in a utility closet. Once you've found it, gather a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new, compatible replacement battery. Carefully use your screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the front cover of the panel. These are typically located on the top or bottom edge. Once the screws are loose, gently open the panel. It might hinge open, or it might lift straight off. Be gentle, as wires will be connected inside. Now, look inside the panel for the large, rectangular battery. This is your backup battery. Before you disconnect anything, take a moment to observe how the wires are connected to the positive and negative terminals. It's crucial to remember this for reinstallation. Starting with the negative black wire first, carefully disconnect both wires from the old battery. They are usually spade connectors that pull straight off, but some might have a small clip you need to depress. With the wires disconnected, you can now carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery. Ensure you have the correct orientation, and then carefully place it into the compartment. Connect the positive red wire to the positive terminal of the new battery, and then connect the negative black wire to the negative terminal. Make sure snug connections. Once the new battery securely connected, carefully close the panel cover. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them gently until the cover is secure. Your Chubb Viper alarm system should now be powered by its new backup battery. The low battery warning should clear within a few minutes. If not immediately, remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.